Hello everybody. In this video here I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Analytics. If you log in, your Google Analytics for some of you will be in different locations on your page. It's probably on the bottom lower left hand corner. With all our stuff you can drag and drop. Bring it up to the top here. In some people's sites it's already set up here. But anyway, this is what you want to do here is you want to get this whole graph. So before you can go to the options panel here, what you need to do is go to Google Analytics, and as we always tell you, sign up for a Gmail, Google account, and getting into Google Analytics and all the other type of tools that we recommend that you use, that we use, is really easy. Anyway, so I've already just logged in to my PCFmojo test account, PCFmojo, okay, on Gmail. And I went ahead and started an account here, so I'm going to go ahead and go through the whole process right here in front of you. I'm doing sign up. The new website name is going to be PCFmojo, okay, and the URL is my URL that I have been given when I signed up for PCFmojo. Okay, so here I put in iSpeakMojo.pcfmojo.com. Okay, that's my URL. Now, if you do domain mapping, okay, and you actually map a real domain, and that's a different video, but if you map a real domain, you would actually put the domain address here. So www.whateveryournameiS.com. Okay, select your industry. In this care, we're into technology. In my case, what would you like to track? Reporting time zone. That's okay with me. Leave that all default there. And this is iSpeakMojo PCF. Okay, and I'm going to get my tracking ID. Okay, accept the terms and agreement. Okay, and you will see I'll get a tracking ID. This is the tracking ID right here. You take this tracking ID and you copy it. Okay, now you go to your dashboard in PCFmojo, and you get to your dashboard. If you're at Members Home, just to make it real super easy for you, you get to your dashboard by going up here and clicking Dashboard on the upper left hand corner. Alright, once you're in your dashboard, you go to Settings and you go to Google Analytics. There's two choices, Google Analytics Dashboard and Google Analytics. Google Analytics Dashboard is what shows on your desktop, but this is how you actually set your site. So go ahead and click Google Analytics, and you'll see this interface here, and it'll say Web Property ID, and we're going to go ahead and paste in the ID that we got right here from our Google Analytics account, and synchronize our tracking. Yes, click Save Changes. Okay, now that's hooked up there. Now you go into your dashboard. Okay, now when you come to the dashboard, as I said, go from Settings to Google Analytics Dashboard. You're going to see it like this for the first time. You're going to see the opportunity for you to actually log in with your Google Analytics email and your password, and then click Save Password and go forward. And the other way is the Google OAuth system, and we're very big into the social and social opt-in with social media credentials, and we use Google Plus a lot. I do on a personal basis. So since I'm logged into my Gmail account, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start the login process using the Google OAuth system. Okay. Now what this is going to do is I'm going to grant it access so it can get into Google Analytics. Now I'm back in my control panel, and I'm going to go ahead and leave it Google Analytics profile, all websites data. Okay. And if I want to put goals, this is what I would put. I'd put goals here, how many opt-ins, how many sales, whatever. And you can show the display of those right there. So let's go ahead and click Save Changes. All right, let's go to our dashboard, PCF dashboard. And now you'll see Google Analytics loading. And there you go. Google Analytics loading, and as you start getting traffic, you're going to start seeing the spikes and everything like that. And what's really cool about the Google Analytics, the way we're using it here, is not only does it show on your dashboard here, but when you actually go to your naked pages, or any of the pages that you have in our system here, Okay, so once you get to the pages itself, so naked pages, manage naked pages or webinars, the autoresponder, manage your autoresponders, every one of these pages here that actually gets traffic, you're going to be able to see your Google Analytics per page based on the page views, unique visits, and exits right here on the right hand side. Anyway, that's how to plug away and add your Google Analytics to your site so that you have a cool looking dashboard and be able to see your statistics, see the information about your business, how things are going for you. All right, see you on the next video.